It explains that employee and labor relations is a critical functional area within the SHRM organization domain because it focuses on managing the relationship between organizations and employees regarding the terms and conditions of employment. This area includes workplace policies, employee rights, labor relations, disciplinary procedures, and interactions with unions or employee representatives. HR professionals contribute value by establishing fair frameworks, ethical standards, and effective communication processes that balance organizational objectives with employee interests. Strong employee and labor relations practices help organizations maintain workplace stability, improve employee trust, reduce conflict, and ensure compliance with employment laws and labor standards while supporting productive organizational environments. The SHRM framework identifies ethical practice, relationship management, and critical evaluation as essential competencies supporting employee and labor relations activities. Ethical practice enables HR professionals to maintain confidentiality and transparency while balancing organizational and employee needs fairly and responsibly. Relationship management supports positive interactions between employees, leadership, unions, and external stakeholders to encourage collaboration and workplace harmony. Critical evaluation allows HR professionals to analyze labor activity data, employee concerns, and organizational risks to make informed decisions regarding labor relations and workplace disputes. Together, these competencies strengthen organizational trust, support legal compliance, and improve the effectiveness of workforce management and employee relations strategies. Union management relations are a major focus within the SHRM employee and labor relations framework. HR professionals are expected to understand collective bargaining, contract negotiation, and contract administration processes that govern interactions between organizations and labor unions. The material also highlights different organized labor structures, including unions, works councils, and trade union federations. HR professionals support organizational interests during labor negotiations while maintaining constructive relationships with employee representatives. Effective labor relations management reduces workplace conflict, strengthens communication, and supports operational continuity. Organizations that maintain collaborative labor management relationships are often better positioned to address workforce concerns, improve employee engagement, and achieve stable long-term organizational performance. The SHRM program emphasizes the importance of disciplinary procedures and workplace conduct management within employee relations activities. HR professionals are responsible for developing workplace policies, employee handbooks, and codes of conduct that clearly communicate organizational expectations and behavioral standards. They also advise managers on handling difficult employee situations, disruptive behaviors, and corrective action processes. Effective disciplinary systems promote fairness, accountability, and consistency while protecting organizational integrity and employee rights. HR professionals must ensure disciplinary actions comply with organizational policies, labor agreements, and legal standards. Properly managed disciplinary processes help reduce workplace conflict and support positive employee relations throughout the organization. Complaint resolution and alternative dispute resolution methods are additional key concepts within the SHRM employee and labor relations framework. HR professionals may facilitate mediation, arbitration, and other ADR processes to resolve workplace disputes effectively and efficiently. These methods help organizations address employee grievances while minimizing operational disruptions, legal risks, and workplace tension. HR professionals also conduct investigations into employee misconduct, retaliation claims, and policy violations while ensuring confidentiality and procedural fairness. Effective dispute resolution strengthens organizational trust and demonstrates commitment to ethical workplace practices. Organizations that manage disputes proactively and fairly are more likely to maintain positive employee relationships and stable workforce environments. The SHRM framework also addresses workplace rights, labor standards, and compliance responsibilities. HR professionals must understand employment rights and labor standards established by organizations such as the International Labour Organization (ILO), including fair wage concepts, labor rights, and standard working conditions. Organizations are expected to prevent unfair labor practices, retaliation, and discriminatory treatment while maintaining compliance with employment laws and ethical standards. HR professionals may also design and implement compliance and ethics programs that support accountability, workplace integrity, and risk management. Effective compliance practices protect organizational reputation, reduce legal exposure, and strengthen employee confidence in organizational fairness and leadership credibility. Advanced HR professionals have broader responsibilities related to labor strategy, negotiations, and organizational representation. According to the SHRM material, advanced practitioners manage collective bargaining processes, negotiate with employee representatives, and develop organized labor strategies such as acceptance, adaptation, or avoidance approaches. They also educate managers and employees about labor policies, organizational strategies, and workplace expectations. Advanced HR leaders oversee investigations, disciplinary actions, and dispute resolution activities while ensuring consistency with organizational values and legal obligations. Strategic labor relations management strengthens workforce stability and helps organizations maintain productive employee relationships during periods of organizational change, operational restructuring, or labor negotiations. Overall, Functional Area 9, Employee and Labor Relations, demonstrates the strategic importance of maintaining fair, ethical, and productive relationships between organizations and employees. The SHRM framework positions HR professionals as key contributors to workplace stability, employee trust, and legal compliance through effective labor relations management.